What's that birthday boy doing?
I don't know.
Hi, birthday boy! He's sitting on a chair. You gotta get off me so I can get in front of him. Hi, birthday boy! Oh, what's he doing? What's he doing? What's that birthday boy doing? Oh, what the heck was that? Ah, it's an alien! Ah! Another alien! Wow! Hey, birthday! Ah! What the heck? What? Alien hands! Alien hands! Alien hands! Wow! Wow! I'm being killed by aliens! Look at that cute baby boy. What the heck? Godzilla! Godzilla! It's Godzilla! 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 What is this funky baby doing? What was that? That's it. That is it. I got Godzilla knocking down and picking up and knocking down, and I got weirdo alien hands popping up in front of my video. What is going on? What is happening? This is crazy stuff.
I think it's getting haunted.
It's getting haunted? Oh my goodness. Haunted. How old's your brother? 2! Logan's 2! Oh my God, what is that baby boy doing? Knocking it down, picking it up. Ah! Knocking it down, picking it up.